All right, section 3.3 is drawing angle bisectors. Now to start with, let's look at a definition. An angle bisector is the line that divides an angle into two equal parts. And we can mark the equal angles with the same symbol. Like we used hash marks to indicate the two sides of a perpendicular bisector being the same size, we're going to use a symbol to mark angles that are the same size. So here's an example of an angle that is being bisected. So it's cutting the angle in exactly half. This angle is the same as this angle, and we've got a little circle showing that those angles are the same. The same circle is drawn inside both of those angles. So let's practice doing this, show you how it's done. There are a few ways to do this, but we're going to start with the easy one. So we're going to draw an angle bisector of DEF, and I've got a DEF angle shown here. But step one, draw a 110 degree angle and label it angle DEF. So you use the protractor. Actually, you start with a line. Then you take your protractor and you line up the crossing in the middle and the 0 degree line with your straight line. And then you find the 110 degree mark and you mark it. And then you draw a straight line from that mark back to where the end of your initial line was. And that will give you your 110 degree angle. And in this case, it's been labeled DEF, where E is the point in your angle. Now, in order to cut that in half, we need to take the 110 degree angle that we're given and divide the 110 by 2. And if you do that, 110 divided by 2 is 55. So in that case, you know that you're going to have two 55 degree angles that make up that 110 degrees. So then you can use your protractor again. And if we've got our 110 degree angle here, DEF, again, line up the center of your protractor at the point of your angle. Put one of the arms of your angle on the 0 degree line. Then move up, find your 55 degree angle, right there. And then draw a line from that point back to point E in your angle. This then becomes the perpendicular bisector, or sorry, the angle bisector. So this angle should be 55 degrees, and this angle is 55 degrees. And you can check it. That one, yep, right in the middle between 50 and 60, so that's 55. And you can check the other one as well. Line them up. Between here and here, yep, that one is between 50 and 60 as well, right in the middle. So this is also 55 degrees. So you've confirmed that you've drawn two 55 degree angles, label them the same, and then you're done. So DEU, angle DEU is the same as angle FEU, and you can write them this way. All right, so that's how you do this using a protractor. We've got a show you know for you guys to work on. Please go ahead and do that.